What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, make sure you give me a thumbs up on the SS. Today I'm just running through, checking all of my work, making sure I just don't have loose ground or something like a fuse stopping me from starting. So I got my starter off. I went ahead and tested it. It tested good. So I'm reinstalling it now, and then I'm going to try some other things, see what I can come up with for no crank for this SS. So I cleaned up my grounds, made sure I wire brushed everything, but it still didn't start. So I took my starter back off again, and I seen it was a little paint there, so I'm gonna clean my ground connections up that were opposed to the block for my starter. Try, and I haven't found any bad fuse or anything yet, so I want to see if I can find anything like that. All my testing has led me back to this post that I was using to jump the battery in. I think I may have just blown this fuse attached to it here. Leads power to that main fuse box over there. So maybe that's why I'm not getting that power down to the starter like I want. I'm almost damn broke this fuse trying to get it off of here. But this isn't the problem. Look at this. God damn. Those fuses are good. It's a good fuse. Okay, I found the culprit. This is the main power. It's right off the battery. And look at that. That one's blown. And that wire runs right to the starter. All right, that's it for this episode on the SS. I'm gonna have to put one of those on the order sheet and install and give it a shot. That should solve my problem. I believe that will solve the issue with the low power to the starter for this SS. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for more on the SS, and hit the bell notification for instant updates.